Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to find any template on Freepik Designer. So by default, if you want to create design manually, then you can do it through this way. But if you want to get the custom page or custom template, like maybe it can be brochure, flyer, business card, logo, it can be whatever. So how can you find these elements? So first of all, you can see the option the left side on your screen. It's called a template. Simply click template. Then by default there is something, but if you want to create logo, then search here logo. Then you'll get here some logos. So by default I'm just going to choose this one. Then open a new tab or replace. So I'm just going to click replace. So you can see this way you can get the template, any type of template. If you want to template event flyer, then you'll get here event flyer. Just click here and maybe replace or open new tab, then you'll get the new page. So you can see this is the template. So this way you can find the template on Freepik Designer. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.